Welcome to Fascinating Facts, where we bring you the most interesting and mind-blowing facts from around the world. Today, we're diving into the amazing country of Sweden, a nation with a rich history, unique traditions, and a reputation for innovation and social welfare. As we explore some of the most fascinating facts about Sweden, from its high standard of living and environmentally friendly policies to its incredible inventions and contributions to the world. Did you know that Sweden is the third largest country in the European Union by area? Or that the Swedish flag is one of the oldest national flags in the world, dating back to the 16th century? It's also home to one of the happiest populations, with a high life expectancy of 83 years and a welfare state that provides free healthcare, education, and social security for its citizens. Stockholm, the capital city, is a stunning sight to behold, with 14 islands connected by more than 50 bridges. The Swedish language has given us some wonderful words, including ombudsman, smorgasbord, and sauna, while the country's most famous inventor, Alfred Nobel, established the Nobel Prize for outstanding achievements in physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, and peace. Sweden's dedication to the environment is admirable, as the country has set a goal of becoming carbon neutral by 2045. Its strong design culture has also contributed to the global success of brands like IKEA, H&M, and Volvo. But it's not just about design and technology. Sweden also has some unique traditions, like fika, a coffee break with friends or colleagues, and the delicious Swedish meatball, often served with lingonberry jam and cream sauce. Sweden's long history of innovation has led to some amazing inventions, such as the Celsius temperature scale, the adjustable wrench, and the pacemaker. The country also has one of the highest rates of English proficiency among non-native speakers in the world. And let's not forget about the breathtaking Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, which can often be seen in the northern part of Sweden during the winter months. With so much to offer, it's no wonder that Sweden is such a fascinating country. Thanks for joining me on this journey through some of the most fascinating facts about Sweden. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Fascinating Facts for more amazing content like this. And don't forget to leave your suggestions for future videos in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.